Okay, so picking up where we left off with that problem, this is session number 2, and I'm going to complete this operation here using the calculator. So we have a bond problem that we are trying to solve for the yield to maturity. A couple of things I was trying to show you in regards to the interest and how we're calculating it since it's semi-annual, and as well as how do we adjust the number of interest payments. So if it's semi-annual, of course, that's two. That's an interest payment every 6 months. So it's two per year. And so if we have 10 years, this number of n, or the number of interest periods that we have, will become 20, okay, for our calculator. And as well, our coupon payment, which is 5.25%, again, that's going to be in annual dollars, $52.50. But since we receive interest every 6 months, we're going to divide this by 2, okay? So it would be basically $26.25, okay? So is would actually be the actual coupon payment. So I'm just going to write that right here, 26.25, okay, to actually indicate that dollar amount, okay? So, moving to the calculator, we have, again, we have the future value of 1,000. And so I'm going to open up our our calculator. I'm going to clear X so that everything is clear. 1,000 is our actual future value. Um, I believe from our problem, we actually have 26.25 is our coupon payment. So 26.25 is our coupon payment, and we are receiving that, so that's a positive number. Okay, we're solving for the present value. I'm sorry, our present value is 926. I gave that to you. Okay, remember, our convention is to put a negative in if we're investing that. If we're purchasing that bond, we're investing it, so it's money leaving our pocket. So we would put that in as the present value. And we solved for um, N to be 20 because we had 10 years at semi-annual, okay? And then when we solve for I, okay, we actually wind up with 3.128, but that, remember, is the periodic interest yield or yield to maturity. So we have to multiply that times 2, okay, so 2 times. So we get an actual yield to maturity of 6.256, okay. So moving back to the PowerPoint, this is actually going to equal 6.256% if you wanted to do that. Okay. Um, Understand too that, remember, our understanding with bonds is that as interest rates um, drop in the market, our bond prices increase, and as yields in the market increase, our bond prices decrease. So this is again an inverse relationship. So this is how we would finish that problem. Okay?